Hi friends, welcome back. Today we have a daily full body stretch routine to help you get more flexible. When you are ready, we'll start off in tabletop with a few cat cows. Dip the belly, inhale, exhale, round the spine, arch the back, inhale, exhale, round the spine. Don't forget that your shoulders and the wrists are aligned, the hips and the knees as well. Continue to move through your cat-cow a couple of times at your own pace, really exaggerating the movement. Protract and retract. Inhale again. Exhale, squeeze the shoulder blades together. Come back to neutral. Extend the legs out. The hands are about shoulder distance apart to lower the knees. Pull the shoulders away from the ears. And just rest here in cobra. You may gently rotate the neck around in circular motions. Lower all the way down. And then bring yourself back up. We'll do 5 cobra push-ups. That's 3, 4, 5. Bring the hips back. Widen out the knees. Extend the hands out. Forehead to the mat. I'm going to try not to talk as much throughout this video because it's something that you can truly do daily to help you get more flexible. It's also going to help you get stronger. This is going to help you get flexible in the safest way. So I don't want to talk as much throughout the video. I'm keeping you in mind that you'll be doing this daily. Walk the hands over to the right side. And over to the left. Bring yourself up into a down dog. Feel free to take any additional stretches that you may be needing. Maybe you start to lift the heels up and down, bending the knees. Right foot steps outside the right hand. Lower the back knee. Lift the right hand up. Elbow to the mat. And then one more. Take the right foot, place it at the center. Flex the foot back, coming into a half splits. Over time, you can continue to lengthen out to make your way into a full splits. If you have full splits in your practice, you can also replace your half splits with your full splits. Back to our down dog. Step that left foot outside the left hand, lower the back knee. Left hand comes up and then lower. Back to our down dog. Step the feet in. Bring the hands together and drop one knee and then the other. We'll do that 3 times on each side. So lift, drop the knees, sit on your heels, and grab the heels with your hands and lift your heart up. Option to drop the neck back or to keep the head lifted. You could also rest the hands on your low back. If you want more of a challenge, bring the hands to the heart and drop the head back. Slowly lower down. Come on your tailbone. The palms are facing the back of your mat. Lift the hips up. Reverse tabletop. And then lower. Let's go for 3. Adjust your hands facing the front of the mat now. Lift. You're going to try to swing the hips back and then come back up. Slow and control. That's 2. Let's do 2 more. Okay, I lied. 1 more. Make it 5. Nice job. Extend the legs out. We're going to do a little compression. You might try starting out with one leg, lifting one leg, and then the other, alternating between the left and the right. If you feel good here, then try doing both of them. And then pause at the top. Let's do 3 more. I think that was 6. We'll do 1 more and hold it at the top for 5 seconds. Release that. Come on your side. Bring the right leg out. The left leg comes over the right. You're on your elbow. Keep your body lifted. You're not slouching into your arm, but keep your spine, your back lifted, and lift the right foot up. It's a small movement. This is going to help strengthen our lower body and help us get stronger for the splits. Bring that leg back, fold, bend the right leg, lift the left leg up. We got 5 more. Point the toes. Nice job. We'll do that on the other side. Our dragon hip abduction. Right leg comes over, and the left leg is the one that's lifting this time. Bend the left leg, right leg comes up. We have 10. Don't forget to point the toes. You give it a little pause for a second at the top. Squeeze the thighs. Nice job. We're gonna do 90-90. You can use your hands to support you by placing them behind you, or you can keep the hands up, lifted. Straddle out the legs. Place the palms out in front of you. I'm really sore from my workout yesterday, so I can really feel this. Come on your palms. If that feels good to you, then come onto your forearms. If you feel good here, then you can bring your chest closer to the mat, walk the hands out, and maybe rest your forehead on the mat. If you're working towards your splits with all the different stretches we just got done doing, at the end of this video will be a perfect time to try and get into your splits. You might even notice a difference with half splits if you were to do it again. Walk the hands back. Bring the knees in close to your chest. We are done. Thank you so much for moving your body with me. If you do this class multiple times a week, you definitely should see a difference. You should notice a difference over time. Thank you again. I'll see you in our next class.